Vanakkam, welcome to our Redal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, let us discuss about Biology NTA Model Paper 32 with complete solutions. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to subscribe our video channel. Let us continue the questions one by one. Question number 1. Which one of the following is the correct matching of three items under grouping category? The pelvic girdle is formed by two inanimate bones consisting of three separate bones: ilium, ischium, and pubis. Actin and myosin are the motor proteins that form the spindle apparatus during cell division. Malleus, incus, and stapes are the ear ossicles. Cytosine, thymine, and uracil are the pyrimidines. So the correct option for this question is option A. The item and group correctly matching on is option A. Question number 2. Which of the following are the important floral rewards to the animal pollinators? The important floral rewards to the animal pollinators are nectar and pollen grain. Plants attract pollinators to their flowers by advertising their floral rewards. For example, nectar and pollen grains. They take the advantage of the fact that the animals can see, smell, and taste by evolving different flower sizes, shapes, colors, and scents to selectively attract pollinators. So the correct option for this question is option B, nectar and pollen grains. Question number 3. VAM is endomycorrhizal fungal hyphae are present inside or between the cells of cortex. In many grasses and some other crops, the fungal hyphae penetrate to the cortical cells, which swells to form vesicles or orbicles called vesicular orbiculaire mycorrhiza. It is generally called as VAM. So the answer for this question is option C, endomycorrhiza. Question number 4. Which of the following does not control heartbeats? Glossopharyngeal nerve control the posterior part of mouth cavity, therefore it does not control heartbeats. So the answer for this question is option D, glossopharyngeal nerve. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not absorbed in biodiversity hotspots? In an ecosystem, the interspecific competition occurs when the individuals belonging to different species compete for the same resources such as food, shelter, etc. In biodiversity hotspots, where the organism distribution is more in a confined area, there will be more interspecific competition. They have high level of species richness and a high degree of endemism. Initially 25 biodiversity hotspots were identified, but subsequently 9 more such hotspots were added in the world, taking the number to 34. These hotspots also the regions of accelerated habitat loss. So the answer for this question is option C, lesser interspecific competition. Question number 6. Root caps are absent in. Root caps are primary function is enhancing direct root growth by reducing friction against the soil, sensing gravity, and protecting root meristem. In hydrophytes, the root system will be a fibrous type and hence the root packets are present, whereas the root caps are absent. Example: Eichhornia, Pistia, Lemna, Pandanus, Pothos, and Ficus are plants that grow on soil. So the answer for this question is option A, root caps are absent in Eichhornia, Pistia, and Lemna. Question number 7. In a monohybrid grass, what will be the percentage of heterozygous offspring in F3 generation? A monohybrid grass has the genotypes completely dominant or completely recessive alleles R, or small r. When these two genotypes are crossed, R with small r, the F1 generation will have whole heterozygous plants R, small r. In F2 generation, when R, small r is crossed with R, small r, and small r, plants formed in the ratio of 2:1:1 ratio. In F3 generation, when cross was done between the plants with genotypes R with R, small r, capital R, small r with capital R, small r, capital R, small r with small r, small r, capital R with small r, we will get capital R, small r, and capital R plants in the ratio of 3:3:10. The total number of heterozygous gametes are 10. Hence, the percentage of heterozygous offsprings will be 10 by 16 into 100 equal to 62.5%. So the answer for this question is option D, 62.5%. Question number 8. Occurrence of endemic species in South America and Africa due to continental drift is a geological theory stating that the relative positions of the continents on the Earth's surface have changed considerably through geologic time. For example, fossils of the ancient reptile Mesosaurus are only found in South Africa and South America. Mesosaurus, a freshwater reptile, only 1 meter, it is 3.3 feet long, could not have the Atlantic Ocean to reach the American region. So the answer for this question is option B, continental drift. Question number 9. The following with correct combination. Cuscuta, it is a for parasite. Eichhornia, the roots possesses root packet. Motropa, it is an example for saprophyte. Rhizopora, topor. Utricularia, it is example for insectivorous plant. So the correctly matching option is option B. Question number 10. Replication of bacterial chromosome DNA synthesis starts from the replication origin site and the replication begins at ORI site. The origin of replication and proceeds on both sides. RNA primers are involved in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes to lay a short stretch of RNA nucleotides of 9 to 12 to initiate polymerization. In eukaryotes, the telomerase enzyme acts to terminate the replication process. So the answer for this question is option D, moves in bidirectional way. Question number 11. Early fruit drop can be avoided by spraying. Generally, it is observed intact fruits do not fall as they synthesize auxin. Abscission occurs when the auxin content falls below a minimum point. Hence, the application of auxin to the plant slows the abscission of the leaves, fruits, branches, etc. The premature drop of fruits such as apple, pear, and citrus can be prevented to a great extent by spraying the trees with a dilute solution of indole acetic acid and naphthalene acetic acid. It is generally called as auxin. So the correct option for this question is option A, auxin. Question number 12. Generally, how many megaspores take part in the development of female gametophyte? There is only one megaspore mother cell forms 4 megaspores. 3 out of 4 megaspores degenerate and only one megaspore take part in the formation of female gametophyte. So the answer for this question is option A, 1. Question number 13. The technical term used for the androecium in a flower of China rose, that is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. China rose of Malvaceae family possesses numerous stamens. The filaments of stamens are united in one group, thus forming a staminal tube around the style. Such stamens are called monodalpus. Is option A, monodalpus. Question number 14. DDT residues are rapidly passed through food chain causing biomagnification because DDT residues are rapidly passed through the food chain causing biomagnification because DDT is a liposoluble biomagnification, also known as bioamplification or biological magnification, is the increase in the concentration of substance such as pesticide DDT that occurs in a food chain as a consequence of persistent, that is broken down by environmental processes. So the answer for this question is option D, liposoluble. Question number 15. It takes a very long time for pineapple plants to produce flowers. Which combination of hormones can be applied to artificially induce flowering in pineapple plants throughout the year to increase yield? The gibberellins, cytokinins and auxins are found to be growth stimulators, whereas ethylene and abscisic are determined as growth inhibitors. The function of cytokine is the stimulation of cell division, growth of lateral buds, and apical dominant function of gibberellins to stimulate stem elongation. Auxin and ethylene are responsible for flowering and fruiting in pineapple. So the answer for this question is option A, auxin and ethylene. Question number 16. Which of the following statements are correct about genetically engineered insulin? The main challenge for the production of insulin using the recombinant DNA technique was getting insulin assembled into a mature form with the removal of C-peptide. In 1983, Eli Lilly, an American company, first prepared two DNA sequences corresponding to A and B chains insulin and introduced them in plasmids of E. coli to produce insulin chains. Chains A and B were produced separately, extracted and combined by creating disulfide bonds to form human insulin. It is generally called as humulin. So the answer for this question is option C. From the given four statements, first, second and third statements are correct. Fourth one is wrongly given. Question number 17. RNA always cuts DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific restriction sequence. The sticky ends formed after digestion have the sequence. Restriction enzymes, also called restriction nucleases, it is generally called as ECORI in this question, surround the DNA molecule at the recognization point, that is sequence GAATTC for ECORI. ECORI cuts one strand of DNA double helix at one point and the second strand at the complementary point between the G and A base. So the answer for this question is option A, AATTC. Question number 18. Nucellus in the seed is absorbed in. Perisperm is the residues of nucellus are sometimes persistent in few seeds such as in beet and black pepper. This type of nucellus is perisperm. This is a nutritive tissue that is present around the embryo of the seed. So the answer for this question is option B, black pepper and beet. Question number 19. Which of the following statement is false with respect to the application of auxin? Cytokinin initiates and promotes cell division actively in plant tissues and cell culture. Auxins are basically used for the formation of callus, that is undifferentiated mass of cells. So the answer for this question is option C, initiate and promote cell division actively, particularly in tissue culture. That is the wrong statement among four statements. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 20. Rocky Mountain fever is caused by. Rocky Mountain spotted fever is an acute rickettsial disease characterized by high fever, chills, pain in muscles and joints. It is caused by an infected tick. So the answer for this question is option D, bacteria. Rocky Mountain fever is caused by bacteria. Question number 21. Hemoglobin has maximum affinity with. Hemoglobin has 250 times more affinity for carbon monoxide than oxygen, forming a cherry red compound. Carboxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin shows maximum affinity with carbon monoxide as compared to carbon dioxide and oxygen. When compared with carbon dioxide, hemoglobin has more affinity with oxygen. So the answer for this question is option B, carbon monoxide, then oxygen, then carbon dioxide. Question number 22. The principal nitrogenous excretory compound in human is synthesized. The principal nitrogenous excretory compound in human is urea. It is synthesized in the mitochondrial matrix and cytosol of liver cells and eliminated through kidneys. So the answer for this question is option A, in the liver but eliminated mostly through kidneys. Question number 23. A typical fat molecule is made up of. Fat is a triglyceride which is made up of 3 molecules of fatty acids and 1 molecule of glycerol, that is triacyl glyceride. It is generally called as TAG. Fats are stored in the form of TAG. So the answer for this question is option B, 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecules. Question number 24. Common characters present between bryophytes and pteridophytes are. The bryophytes and pteridophytes both possesses distinct gametophytic and sporophytic generations. Heteromorphic alternation of generations presence of rhizoids, multicellular sex organs, and require water for fertilization as the sperms are motile. So the answer for this question is option D, all of these. Question number 25. Given below are two statements A and B, each with one or two blanks. Select the option which correctly fills up the blanks in two statements. In roots, protoxylem lies towards periphery and metaxylem towards the center. This condition of the vascular bundle is called exarch. Hence, scissor roots are exarch condition. A well-developed pith is found in monocot root and dicot stem. So the correct answer for this question is option C is the first. What is true about ribosomes? Ribosomes are non-membranous, that is without membrane, cell organelle composed of ribosomal RNA and protein. These are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are 70S type, whereas in eukaryotes, they are 80S type. So the answer for this question is option B. These are composed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. Question number 27. In case of plant succession, when climax is reached, the net productivity of the ecosystem. In the early stages of plant succession, photosynthesis is more than respiration. In the climax stage, huge respiration of living biomass occur and photosynthesis is equal to respiration. P by R equal to 1 or P is equal to R. Hence, net productivity becomes stable when the climax stage is reached in plant succession. So the answer for this question is option C. Become stable. Question number 28. Consider these statements given below regarding contraception and answer as direct thereafter. In a vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum, whereas in tubectomy, a small part of a fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through the vagina. Lactational amenorrhea, that is absence of menstruation method, is based on the fact that ovulation and thereafter the menstrual cycle does not occur during the period of intense lactation following partition. Therefore, as long as the child fully, chances of contraception are almost nil. However, this method has been reported to be effective only up to the maximum period of 6 months following partition. Intrauterine devices are presently available as the non-medicated IUDs. For example, Lipes, Loop, copper releasing IUDs, CUT, CU7, multi-load 375, and the hormone releasing IUDs, Progestat, LNG20. IUDs increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus, and the copper ions released suppresses sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperms. Of progesterones or progesterone estrogen combinations or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus has been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptives, as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or casual unprotected intercourse. So the answer for this question is option C. Statements second and third statement are correct. Question number 29. Following statement is correct regarding cleavage. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres is called morula. The morula continues to divide and transforms into blastocyst as it moves further into the uterus. So the answer for this question is option D. Cleavage division in morula lead to the development of blastula. Question number 30. Select the correct pairing. Here's Niger. Their product is citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, product is acetic acid. Monoscus purpureus, product is statins, is a blood cholesterol lowering agent. Streptococcus, product is clot buster. Trichoderma polysporum, product is cyclosporin A. Methanogens, product is biogas. Propionibacterium shermani, penicillium roqueforti, product is cheese. So the correctly matching option is option B, organism Monoscus purpureus, and the product is statin. So from the given 4 pairing, the correct pairing is option B. Question number 31. The expression gynoecium is polycarpillary apocarpus implies that the Gynoecium having a single carpel is called monocarpellary. Is two carpels bicarpellary. If three carpels tricarpellary. Many carpels is generally called as polycarpellary. Carpels may be free, then the gynoecium is called apocarpus. Example, polycarpellary apocarpus in rose, lotus and ranunculus. And when they are fused, the gynoecium is known to be syncarpus. So the answer for this question is option B. Gynoecium comprises more than one carpel, all of which are free. Question number 32. Match the following bacteria with the diseases and select the correct option. Trypanosoma pallidum, it causes syphilis. Yersinia pestis causes plague. Bacillus anthracis causes anthrax. Vibrio cholerae, it causes cholera. So the correctly matching option is option B. Question number 33. The enzyme which does not directly act upon the food substrate in the small intestine of man is. Enzyme enterokinase is present in Succus entericus. It does not directly act upon the food substrate. It activates trypsinogen into active trypsin. Trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme and directly acts upon proteins and large peptides. So the answer for this question is option C, enterokinase. Question number 34. One function of the telomeres in a chromosome is to. The telomere is a ribonucleoprotein complex composed of protein component and an RNA primer sequence which acts to protect the terminal ends of the chromosome. This prevents the ends of the chromosome from being processed as a double strand DNA break, which could lead to chromosome telomere fusions. So the answer for this question is option C, seal the ends of chromosomes. Question number 35. Good vision depends on adequate intake of keratin rich food. Keratin is the source of retinal, which is involved in the formation of rhodopsin of rod cells. Retinal, a derivative of vitamin A, is the light absorbing part of all visual photopigments. So the answer for this question is, from the given four statements, first, third and fourth statements are the best option from the following statements. Question number 36. Which of the following is not correct regarding translocation of food in plants? At the source end, sugar is formed, its water potential decreases and water enters the CO tube osmotically, hence target pressure increases, and at the sink end osmotic potential decreases. This osmotically generated gradient causes mass or bulk transport between the sink and the source. So the answer from the given four statements, option B is given incorrectly. Phloem sap consists of mainly water and sucrose, but other sugars, hormones and amino acids also translocated to the phloem. That is wrongly given. Question number 37. A cricket player is fast chasing a ball the field. Which one of the following groups of bones are directly contributing in this movement? Tarsals, femur, metatarsals and tibia are bones of legs which are involved in running during chasing the ball by cricket player. The answer for this question is option D, tarsals, femur, metatarsals and tibia. Question number 38. A person having blood group O can receive blood of. Blood group O contain both antibodies but no antigens. So the answer for this question is option D. Person having blood group O can receive blood from O group only. Question number 39. The walls of sieve tubes develop into sieve plates together getting associated with. The plasmodesmata act as channel between the cell walls of adjacent plant cells. They are mainly involved in transport and cell-to-cell recognition. Structurally, the sieve tubes wall is depressed with plasmodesmata and are grouped together. Later, these areas of the tube walls and plasmodesmata develop into sieve plates. So the answer for this question is option B, plasmodesmata. Question number 40. Choose the correct statement about the direction of the DNA strand. New DNA strand is formed on a 3 to 5 strand continuously in 5 to 3 direction. This strand which is formed continuously is called as leading strand, and this synthesis is aided by the enzyme DNA polymerase. So the answer for this question is option C, DNA synthesis takes place towards 5-3 direction on the leading stand. That is the correct statement. Question number 41. If we remove half of the forest cover of earth, the crisis that will occur is. Forests are very important to us. They cover about 23.68% of our earth and help population control. They also help us providing useful food and thus play an important role in ecological balance. So the answer for this question is option B. If we remove half of the forest cover of the earth, the crisis that will occur is population, pollution and ecological imbalance will rise. Question number 42. Pick out the correct statements. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease in which there is a problem in clotting of blood. Down syndrome, it is due to trisomy 21 is caused due to aneuploidy. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. Sickle cell anemia is a autosomal recessive gene disorder. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given 4 statements, first, second and third statement are correct. Question number 43. C2 cycle is studied in. The RuBP, instead of being converted to 2 molecules of PGA, binds with oxygen to form 1 molecule of phosphoglycerate, and phosphoglycerate, that is a 2-carbon compound, in a pathway called photorespiration. In photorespiratory pathway, there is neither synthesis of sugar nor of ATP. Rather, it results in the release of carbon dioxide with the utilization of ATP. In the photorespiratory pathway, there is no synthesis of ATP or NADPH. So the answer for this question is option B. Those plants that show photorespiration. It's number 44. When the margins of sepals or petals overlap one another without any particular direction, the condition is termed as. When the margins of sepals or petals overlap one another without any particular direction, the condition is termed as imbricate estivation. So the answer for this question is option B, imbricate estivation. Question number 45. How many animals in the list given below are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and pseudocoelomate? Animals belong to the phylum Aschelminthes, that is nematoda or triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and pseudocoelomate. Example, Ascaris, it is commonly called as roundworm. Wucheria, it is commonly called as filarial worm. And Cyclostoma, it is commonly called as hookworm. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given animals, there are 3 animals are having the given characters. Question number 46. The following human pedigree, the filled symbols represent the affected individuals. Identify the type of given pedigree. The given pedigree represents the inheritance of autosomal recessive trait. Unaffected parents have an equally affected son and daughter. The genotype of individuals in the family can be represented as, the diagram is given in the textbook. So the answer for this question is option B, autosomal recessive. Question number 47. Label A, B, C and D. From that, how many carbon dioxide evolved between A and malic acid? Choose the correct option from the following regarding answer of the above questions. The tricarboxylic acid cycle, the service called as a TCA cycle, is a series of enzyme catalyzed chemical reactions that forms a key part of aerobic respiration in cells. This cycle is also called as Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. The greatly simplified cycle below starts with pyruvate, which is the end product of glycolysis. The first step of all type of cells respiration here, A is citric acid, B is FADH2, C is succinic acid, D is NADH2. Second statement is carbon dioxide. So from the given diagrammatic representation, the correctly matching option is option C. A represents citric acid, B represents FADH2, C represents succinic acid, D represents NADH2. A second statement, carbon dioxide. So the correct option is C. Question number 48. If decomposers are removed, what will happen to the ecosystem? The ecosystem will be filled by plant and animal waste, as there will be no decomposition of waste and the minerals will not get solubilized in the soil for the mineral cycle. So the answer for this question is option B. Mineral cycle is stopped. Question number 49. The pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in humans belongs to the same kingdom of organism as that of. The pathogen Microsporum is a genus of kingdom fungi that cause diseases of skin and hair in human and animals such as dog, cat, monkey. Rhizopus, a black bread mold, belongs to the group Zygomycetes of kingdom fungi. So the answer for this question is option C. Rhizopus, a mold. Question: spore producing body of cellular slime mold is. In slime molds, the multinucleate protoplasm of sporangium undergoes cleavage to form spores. So the answer for this question is option C. Sporangium. Question number 51. In a test class involving F1 dihybrid flies, more parental type of offspring were produced than the recombinant type of offspring. This indicates if a plant with genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b is crossed with that of small a, small b, then independent assortment would result in the production of 4 types of offsprings in equal proportion. Capital A, capital B, small b. Gametes, capital A, capital B, capital A, small a, capital B, small a, small b. Capital A, small b, small b. Gametes, small a, small b, small a, small b, small a, small b. Offsprings according to independent assortment: capital A, capital B, small b. Capital A, small b, small b. Small a, capital B, small b. Small a, small b, small b. In the ratio of 1:1:1:1. Parental, recombinants, parental. Since the parental percentage is more than recombinants, it is due to linkage between genes A and B. So the answer for this question is option C. The 2 genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. Question number 52. In the diagram of the lateral view of the human brain, parts are indicated by alphabets. Select the answer in which these alphabets have been correctly matched with the parts which they indicate. A. Frontal lobe. B. Temporal lobe. C. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. E. Parietal lobe. So the correctly matching option is D. Question number 53. Some of the characteristics of Bt cotton are: Bt toxin genes were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into cotton plants to form genetically modified crop called Bt cotton. Bt cotton has high yield and resistance to bollworms. The answer for this question is option D. High yield and resistance to bollworms. Question number 54. Which one of the following enzyme contains molybdenum as the prosthetic group? Molybdenum plays an important role in nitrogen fixation because it is an activator of nitrate reductase. So the answer for this question is option D. Nitrate reductase. Question number 55. The type of immunity that is present at the time of birth in human is: the innate immune system, also known as non-specific immune system, is the first line of defense. It comprises the cells and a mechanism that defend the host from infection by the other organisms in a non-specific manner. This means that the cells of the innate system recognize and respond to pathogens in a generic way. Innate immunity is present at the time of birth. Innate immunity consists of, there are 4 types of barriers. First one is physical barrier. Skin on our body is the main barrier which prevent entry of microorganisms. Mucus coating of epithelium lining, the respiratory, gastrointestinal and urinogenital tracts also help in trapping microbes entering our body. Second one is physiological barriers. Acid in stomach, saliva in the mouth, tears from eyes all prevent microbial growth. Third one is cellular barriers. Certain types of leukocytes, it is commonly called as WBC of our body, such as polymorph nuclear leukocytes, PMNL neutrophils, and monocytes and natural killer cells in the blood, as well as macrophages in tissues, can phagocytose and destroy microbes. Then the fourth one is cytokine barriers. Virus infected cells secrete protein called interferon, which protect non-infected cells from further viral infections. So the answer for this question is option D. Innate immunity. Question number 56. Endemic plants are those which are: species restricted to small area are called endemic. It is estimated that 18% of plants in India are endemic and found nowhere in the else in the world. So the answer for this question is option B. Restricted to certain area. Question number 57. Which one of the following structures is well developed in hydroponics? The cortex of hydroponids is well developed. Major portion of it is occupied by well developed prominent air cavity called parenchyma, which increases buoyancy and allows a rapid gaseous exchange. So the answer for this question is option A, parenchyma. Question number 58. Analyze the following pairs and identify the correct options given below. Plastids. Plastids are mainly of two types. Colored plastids, including chromoplast containing pigments other than chlorophyll, and chloroplast containing green pigments are called as chlorophyll. Second one is leucoplast, which store reserve food material. These are devoid of any pigment and may be carbohydrate storing amyloplast, lipid storing eleoplast, or protein storing proteineoplast. It is always called as aleuroplast. The answer for this question is option D. From the given four statement, 5 pairs, the correctly matching one is first and second alone. Question number 59. Following 4 statements related to the cell cycle and select the correct options stating true capital T, that is false in capital F. Interphase is the preparatory phase where the cell prepares itself for cell division by increasing the concentration of proteins. Replication of chromosomes takes place in the S phase where the number of chromatids double. So the answer for this question is option D. First, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false, statement 3 also false, statement 4 is correct. So from the given 4 statement, first and fourth is true, second and third is false. Question number 60. A person entering an empty room suddenly find a snake right in front of the door. Which one of the following is likely to happen in his neurohormonal control system? Epinephrine and norepinephrine are secreted by the adrenal medulla in response to the stress of any kind of during emergency situations and are called emergency hormones or hormones of flight or fight. So the answer for this question is option C. The sympathetic nerve system is activated, stimulating release of epinephrine and norepinephrine from the adrenal medulla. Question number 61. Which of the following type of tissue is characterized by the following statements? The compound epithelium is made up of more than one layer. It is generally called as multi-layer cells and thus has limited role in secretion and absorption. Their main function is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stresses. They cover the dry surface of the skin, the moist surface of the buccal cavity, pharynx, the inner lining of ducts of salivary glands and of pancreatic ducts. So the answer for this question is option A, compound epithelium. Question number 62. How many values are correctly given from the following? The heart beats 72 times per minute. For example, those many cardiac cycles are performed per minute. From this, it could be deduced that the duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. During a cardiac cycle, each ventricle pumps out approximately 70 ml of blood, which is called the stroke volume. The stroke volume multiplied by the heart rate, that is number of beats per minute, gives the cardiac output. Therefore, the cardiac output can be defined as the volumes of blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute and averages 5000 ml or 5 liters of healthy individual. The body has the ability to alter this stroke volume as well as the heart rate and thereby cardiac output. Hypertension is the term for the blood pressure that is higher than normal, 120/80. In this measurement, 120 mmHg millimeters of mercury pressure is the systolic or pumping pressure and 80 mmHg is the diastolic or resting pressure. So the answer for this question is option C. So from the given 5 statements, all the 5 statements are correct. Question number 63. Which one of the following palindromic base sequence in DNA can easily cut by ECORI restriction enzyme? Palindromic sequence in DNA molecular a group of bases that from the same sequence when reading in both forward and backward directions. Towards 5-3 direction, GAATTC. Towards 3-5 direction, CTTAAG. Represent palindromic sequence for ECORI. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 64. In which of the following condition the genetic equilibrium will not be hampered for a species? Gene frequencies and genotypic ratios in randomly breeding population remain constant from generation to generation. This is known as Hardy-Weinberg law in honor of the two researchers who first realized the significance of binomial expansion to population genetics and hence to evolution. Evolution involves changes in the gene pool. A population in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium show no change. The mutation is any random sudden heritable change occurring in the genetic material. Sexual selection refers to the selection of mate by an organism. So the answer for this question is option B, random mating. Question number 65. The graph in case of population showing maximum intrinsic growth will be. Ideally, when resources in the habitat are unlimited, each species has the ability to realize fully its innate potential to grow in number, as Darwin observed while developing his theory of natural selection. Then the population grows in an exponential or geometric fashion. The J-shaped three stages: lag phase, exponential phase, and crash phase. So the answer for this question is option B, J-shaped. Question number 66. Which one of the following pair of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? Protein and cellulose is the pair of food components in human that reaches the stomach totally undigested. So the answer for this question is option B. Question number 67. In fern, spores are formed in. The plants of pteridophytes or sporophytes. They reproduce asexually by forming spores in sporangia. So the answer for this question is option A, sporangium. Question number 68. Arrange the following options in ascending order of the BOD value. Biochemical oxygen demand is the oxygen in milligrams required for 5 days in 1 liter of water at 20 degrees Celsius for the microorganisms to metabolize organic waste. BOD increases with the increase in pollution. So the answer for this question is option C. Third one, it is followed by second statement followed by first statement. So the correct option is C. Question number 69. Endospermic male plant is a diploid and female plant tetraploid. The ploidy levels of endosperm will be. The male gamete will be haploid. Two polar nuclei will be diploid, that is 2n. Endosperm formed by the fusion of male gamete with two polar nuclei will be pentaploid. So the answer for this question is option D, pentaploid. Question number 70. Which of the following is characteristic feature of zoospores? A zoospore is a motile microscopic asexual spore that uses a flagellum for locomotion, also called swan spores. These spores are created by some algae, bacteria and fungi to propagate themselves. So the answer for this question is option A, they are motile. Question number 71. Match the following. Inclusion bodies. Reserve material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Gas vacuoles are found in blue-green and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. Golgi apparatus. It is the important site of the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Third one is lysosomes. The isolated lysosomal vesicles have been found to be very rich in almost all types of hydrolytic enzymes. That includes hydrolases, lipases, proteases, carbohydrates, optimally active at the acidic pH. Then the last one is mitochondrial matrix. Stroma of chloroplast and cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell have 70S ribosomes. So the answer for this question is option C. The correctly matching option is C. Question number 72. Study columns and choose the correct options. The oxygen complex, also known as the water splitting complex, is a water oxidizing enzyme involved in photooxidation of water during the light reactions of photosynthesis. The light dependent reactions of photosynthesis pump protons into the thylakoid lumen of chloroplast to drive the synthesis of ATP by ATP synthase. The proton gradient can be generated through either non-cyclic or cyclic photophosphorylation. Calvin cycle is the second step of photosynthesis. It is reaction that converts carbon dioxide into glucose. The reaction occurs in the stroma region, the fluid filled area of chloroplast outside the thylakoid membranes. There are three phases to light independent reactions, collectively called Calvin cycle. Ribulose biphosphate act as primary carbon dioxide acceptor. Photorespiration is the light dependent evolution of carbon dioxide. The portorespiratory pathway is initiated by the fixation of oxygen by rubisco producing phosphoglycolate, which is metabolized in the portorespiratory pathway to form carbon dioxide and ammonia. The answer for this question is option A. Question number 73. Given degree showing the inheritance of an autosomal dominant disorder, the genotypes of person 1, 2 and 3 in the family tree are: in the above pedigree, person 1 has capital M small m genotype. M is dominant over small m. Person 2 has capital M small m genotype. Capital M is dominant over small m, and because of presence of the dominant gene, they both are disease sufferer, but the person small c is genotype of small m is normal because there is no dominant gene in our genotype. So the answer for this question is option D. The person 1 capital M small m, person 2 capital M small m, person 3 small m small m. Question number 74. Which of the following radioactive isotope will used in the detection of thyroid cancer? Iodine element used by the thyroid gland for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Thus, radioactive isotope iodine is 131 is used as radioactive material for the detection of thyroid cancer. So the answer for this question is option A, iodine 131. Question number 75. In ligand, the role of mycobiont is: ligands, a term coined by Theophrastus, are a composite of dual organisms which are formed by the fungal partner. It is service called as mycobiont, mostly Ascomyces, and the algal partner, mostly blue-green algae. Fungus forms the body of ligand as well as its attaching and absorbing structures. Algae performs photosynthesis and provides food to the fungus. The answer for this question is option B, provides protection, anchorage and absorption for the algae. Question number 76. Read the following statements from A to D. How many of the above statements are true? The adrenal medulla of the adrenal gland secretes two hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine, collectively called as catecholamines, which are called flight or fight hormones. During this situation, emergency energy is required, which is also a function of catecholamines, as it stimulates the breakdown of glycogen to give glucose. During fight and flight situation, cortisol hormone, it is service called as stress hormone, concentration also increases, which is secreted by adrenal cortex, zona fasciculata. They increase blood pressure, suppresses the immune response by activating anti-stress and anti-inflammatory pathway, and increase glucose concentration. Androgens are sex hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex that control secondary sexual characters. The answer for this question is option B. All the four statements are true. Question number 77. What is a keystone species? Species having a much greater influence on community characteristics relative to their low abundance or biomass are called keystone species. Example, in tropical forest, figs are keystone species. Removal of these species causes serious disruption in the functioning of the community. So the answer for this question is option A. A species which adds up to only a small proportion of the total biomass of a community, yet has a huge impact on the community organization and survival. Question number 78. Yeast is Penicillium and Rhizopus in being. The yeast are unicellular, non-mycelial, holocarpic, saprophytic organisms found in sugary media, soil, air, on the decaying vegetables and fruits. The plant body of Penicillium is mycelial. The mycelium is septate and branched. The cells are thin-walled and uni or multinucleate. It is a saprophytic fungus which grows on food products and cheese, etc. Answer for this question is option B. They are unicellular without mycelium. Question number 79. Surgical removal of testes is known as: permanent method of birth control in which either testis are surgically removed is called as castration. So the answer for this question is option C, castration. Question number 80. The limbs and external genitalia in the fetus are well developed in human beings. After 1 month of pregnancy, the embryo heart is formed. The first sign of growing fetus may be noticed by listening to the heart sound carefully through the stethoscope. By the end of second month of pregnancy, the fetus develops limbs and digits. By the end of 12th week, that is first trimester, most of the major organs systems are formed. For example, limbs and external genitalial organs are well developed. So the answer for this question is option C. 12th week of pregnancy, limbs and external genitalia in the fetus are well developed. Question number 81. Match the following and choose the correct combination from the options. Sulfur 1. Sulfur is essential for the formation of the enzyme methionine, essential for the formation of auxin. Magnesium is essential for the formation of chlorophyll. Molybdenum is essential for the formation of nitrogenase enzyme. So the correctly matching option is option B. Question number 82. The oxidative decarboxylation occurs in the step. Alpha ketoglutarate undergoes simultaneous dehydrogenation and decarboxylation in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. This enzyme complex contain TPP, lipoic acid, magnesium 2 plus and trans-succinylase NAD plus and CoA are required. The products formed are 4-carbon compound succinyl CoA, NaDH2 and carbon dioxide. So the answer for this question is option C. Alpha ketoglutarate gives rise succinyl CoA. Question number 83. Match the column 1 view. Downstream processing refers to the recovery and purification of biosynthetic products, particularly pharmaceuticals, from natural sources such as animal or plant tissues or fermentation broth. A bioreactor may refer to any manufactured or engineered device or system that supports a biologically active environment. In one reactor is a vessel in which the chemical process is carried out, which involves organisms or biochemically active substances derived from such organisms. Gel electrophoresis is the method for separation and analysis of macromolecules and their fragments based on their size and charge. So the correctly matching option is option C. Match with respect to recent extinction of animals. The colonization of the tropical Pacific island by human is said to have led to the extinction of more than 2000 species of native birds. The IUCN Red List year of 2004 documents the extinction of 784 species, including 338 vertebrates, 359 invertebrates, and 87 plants in the last 500 years. Some examples of recent extinctions include the species commonly found in Mauritius, guaga that found in Africa, thylacine, the species found in Australia, Stelis sea cow found in Russia, and 3 subspecies Bali, Javan, Caspian of tiger. So the answer for this question is option D. From India, dodo. Question number 85. Characteristic of smooth muscle fiber are. Characteristics of smooth muscle fibers. Cells range from 5 to 10 mu micron in diameter and 30 to 200 mu micron in length. Spindle shaped. Single, centrally located nucleus. Smooth muscle tissues occurs within almost every organ forming sheets, bundles or sheets around other tissues. Smooth muscles differ from the skeletal muscles and cardiac muscle tissues in structure and function. Sarcomeres or myofibrils are not present, therefore not striated. Example, smooth muscles. So the answer for this question is option A. Spindle shaped and unstriated, uninucleate and involuntary. Question number 86. People living at sea level have around 5 million Hb per cubic millimeter of their blood, whereas those living at an altitude of 5,400 meters have around 8 million. This is because at high altitude, at the altitude of 5,400 meters, the low atmospheric pressure of oxygen will be too slow, so the solubility of oxygen in the blood will be very less. Hence, the oxygen carried by each RBC will be too less. However, to fulfill the oxygen requirement of the body, blood has to carry more oxygen to the body tissues, and this done by increased number of RBC. So the answer for this question is option A. atmospheric oxygen level is less and hence more RBC are needed to absorb this required amount of oxygen to survive. Question number 87. Taxonomy based on the determination of evolutionary relationship is phylogenetic classification system are based on the evolutionary relationship between the various organisms. So the answer for this question is option D, phylogenetic taxonomy. Question number 88. Life cannot originate from inorganic materials at present because of the synthesis of organic molecules from simple molecules is no longer possible because of the oxidizing atmosphere. So the answer for this question is option A, a very high amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. Question number 89. Shell. Mollusca are these soft-bodied, unsegmented animals covered by a shell. In between the shell and body covering called mantle, which secretes the shell and adds to the shell to increase its size and strength as animals grows. The shell material is secreted by the ectodermic, that is epithelial cells of the mantle tissue. So the answer for this question is option B, mantle. Question number 90. The last question. Match the column 1 with column 2. Choose the correct answer. Hypothalamus, GnRH, acrosome, sperm lysins, Graafian follicles, estrogen, Leydig cells secrete testosterone. Partition takes place with the help of relaxin enzyme. So the correctly matching option is option D. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very